Okay, so you have probably heard about the Samsung S24, right? But trust me, there's way more to this phone than what's buzzing around. I've been playing around with it, and honestly, it's like discovering a treasure trove of features that aren't just cool, they're mind-blowing. We're not just skimming the surface today, no way. We're diving deep to uncover those hidden gems that make you stop and think, hold on, did my phone just do that? And it's not just about the tech specs, which by the way are pretty awesome. It's about those little things that make your day-to-day life easier, more fun, and let's face it, a bit more impressive. From camera tricks that'll make your photos pop to some smart features that I bet you didn't even know you needed, the S24 is full of surprises. So are you ready to go beyond the usual reviews and explore what really makes the Samsung S24 a game changer? Let's jump in and start this adventure. By the end of this, you might just be looking at your phone in a whole new light. Overview of Samsung S24. Now let's talk about the Samsung S24 itself. First off, this phone is a looker. The design's sleek, stylish, and it just feels right in your hand. It's like Samsung took all the good stuff from their previous models and said, let's kick it up a notch. And they did. But it's not just about looking good. This phone is tough. It's got this build quality that makes you think, yeah, this can handle my everyday hustle. Whether you're a clumsy phone dropper or someone who's always on the go, the S24 has got your back. And here's where it gets interesting. The S24 isn't just competing, it's setting new standards. In a world where smartphones are everywhere, this one stands out. It's not trying to be just another phone in your pocket. It's trying to be the best part of your day. From the screen that's so clear and vibrant, it makes your photos and videos pop to the speed that lets you swipe, tap, and scroll without a hitch. It's all about making your everyday more enjoyable. And let's not forget the battery life. We're talking about power that keeps up with you, not the other way around. So is the Samsung S24 just another smartphone? I don't think so. It's a statement that says, I'm here to make your life better, easier, and a bit more fun. Stay tuned because we're just getting started on uncovering what this phone is all about. Unique features and functions. Alright, let's dive into the really cool part, the unique features and functions of the S24. This is where the phone truly shines and shows off what it's capable of. First up, the camera. We're not just talking any camera here. This is like having a pro photographer right in your pocket. The shots you can take stunning. Whether it's a quick selfie or capturing those unseen in lifetime moments, the S24 makes every picture worth a second look. And the video capabilities just wow. It's like making your own mini-movie right from your phone. But wait, there's more. The battery life on this thing is a game changer. Ever been out and about and your phone dies on you? Not with the S24. This phone keeps going and going, so you can keep snapping, chatting, and scrolling without worrying about your next charge. Now let's talk display. The screen on the S24 is something else. Colors pop, everything's crystal clear, and whether you're watching videos or playing games, it's an experience. It's like having a mini cinema right in your hands. And the performance, smooth as silk. Multitasking, gaming, you name it. The S24 handles it like a champ. No lag, no frustrating waits, just tap and go. So these aren't just features, they're your day-to-day companions. They make life not just easier but more exciting. It's not just about having a smartphone, it's about having a smart life companion. And trust me, we're just scratching the surface here. The Samsung S24 has a lot more up its sleeve, and I can't wait to show you what else it can do. Oh wow moments. Now let's get to the really exciting part, the oh wow moments of the Samsung S24. These are the features that make you stop in your tracks and think, I can't believe my phone can do that. Have you ever seen a phone that can almost read your mind? Well, the S24 comes pretty close. Its intuitive design and smart features anticipate what you need before you even know you need it. Like that time when you're trying to take a photo and it automatically adjusts to the perfect setting, or when you're running low on battery and it switches modes to keep you powered up for longer. It's like having a personal assistant right in your pocket. But it's not just about being smart, it's about adding fun to your day. Ever played with AR features? The S24 takes it to a whole new level. You can create, explore, and share in ways you never thought possible with a phone. It's not just about using a phone, it's about experiencing it. And for those who love a bit of adventure, the S24's durability is a game changer. This phone can keep up with your most daring adventures without breaking a sweat. Whether it's a hike in the mountains or a day at the beach, the S24 is right there with you, capturing every moment without missing a beat. Comparative analysis. Alright, let's put the Samsung S24 in the ring with other smartphones out there. It's time for a little comparative analysis, but not the boring kind. We're talking real everyday use that shows just how much this phone stands out. Think about the last time you used your phone's camera at a concert or a dimly lit restaurant. Frustrating, right? Now enter the S24. Its low-light camera capabilities are something to brag about. Where most phones give you grainy, blurry memories, the S24 delivers clarity and detail that'll make you feel like you're reliving the moment. And let's talk speed. We've all been there trying to quickly open an app or send a message, and what do we get? That annoying lag. The S24, though, it's like it's always one step ahead of you. Apps open in a blink and multitasking is so smooth it feels like the phone's doing all the work for you. Battery life, the Achilles heel of most smartphones. But the S24, it's like the marathon runner of phones. While other phones have you tethered to a charger by midday, the S24 keeps you going strong. Whether you're a social media junkie, a busy professional, or just someone who hates the low battery anxiety, this phone's got your back. And it's not just about what the S24 does, it's how it makes you feel. Holding this phone, using it every day, it's an experience that other phones struggle to match. It's not just a gadget, it's a part of your life, enhancing every moment. User experience. Now let's get personal. It's time to talk about the user experience with the Samsung S24. This isn't just about what I think. It's about what it feels like to have this phone as a part of your daily life. Picture this, you wake up in the morning and the first thing you reach for is your S24. Why? Because it's not just a phone. It's your personal assistant, your entertainment hub, your connection to the world. From the moment you unlock it, it's like stepping into a world where everything's streamlined just for you. The interface, it's so user-friendly and intuitive that it feels like the phone knows what you want before you do. Navigating through apps, customizing your settings, or just browsing the web, it's all so seamless and fluid. And the little things, they really add up, like how the S24 manages your notifications so you're not overwhelmed, or the way it optimizes its performance based on your usage so it always feels fast and responsive. It's these thoughtful touches that make the S24 more than just a smart device. They make it a smart companion. But don't just take my word for it. Users everywhere are raving about how the S24 has changed their daily routine for the better. From the busy mom who relies on it to keep her life organized to the avid gamer who loves the uninterrupted play, the S24 is making a real difference. And there you have it, folks, our deep dive into the Samsung S24. We've explored its sleek design, groundbreaking features, and how it stands tall against the competition. But more than that, we've seen how it fits into your life, making every day a bit brighter, a bit smarter, and a whole lot more fun. To wrap it up, the Samsung S24 isn't just a step forward in smartphone technology. It's a leap into a future where your phone truly understands you. It's not just about the high-tech specs, which are impressive, don't get me wrong. It's about how those specs translate into real-life benefits, making your photos more vivid, your tasks easier, and your moments more memorable. So is the S24 worth your attention? Absolutely. It's more than just a gadget. It's a companion that keeps up with your pace, understands your needs, and adds a touch of joy to your everyday hustle.